Hey folks, Rodney Harris here. We're trying to sneak up on a Anhinga that's in the water out there. There we go. We got him. You see him moving. See him moving down in there? I'm gonna try to get a little closer. See? Yeah. Wait a minute, I lost him. He's not moving. There he is. He's gonna take off eventually. Dive into the water. I don't got him no more. He fucking literally blends in so good. You know that? And I'm fucking shaking. There he is. Yeah, I can't. Yep. I see his beak. That's all I got of him. Try to get around the front. Yeah, it's not a really good video.